Lucidspark is an online collaborative whiteboard tool designed for brainstorming, ideation, and team collaboration. It provides a space where teams can collaborate visually in real time, fostering creativity and enhancing productivity. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to effectively use Lucidspark. Creating a new workspace. Sign up or log in. Start by creating a Lucidspark account or logging in if you already have one. Create a new board. Click on Create New Board to set up a new workspace. You can choose from pre-designed templates or start from scratch. Navigating the interface. Adding elements. Lucidspark offers various tools such as sticky notes, shapes, text boxes, and drawings. Use these tools to add content to your board. Collaboration features. Invite team members by sharing a unique link, enabling them to join and contribute in real time. Brainstorming and ideation. Sticky notes. Quickly jot down ideas with sticky notes and categorize them by color or text for easy sorting. Drawing tools. Use the drawing tool to sketch diagrams, flowcharts, or visual concepts. Organizing and structuring. Grouping. Group related elements together to create categories or clusters, making it easier to organize large amounts of information. Templates. Utilize pre-built templates for frameworks such as mind maps, roadmaps, and decision-making matrices. Collaboration and communication. Comments and annotations. Leave comments directly on elements for instant feedback and context. Voting and prioritization. Use voting features to prioritize ideas and make decisions collectively. Sharing and exporting. Sharing. Once your board is complete, share it with team members, clients, or stakeholders via a shareable link or by exporting it to PDF or image formats for further use.